Right, so this is just a quick explanation video of how to fix the Avent double breast pump. Since I couldn't find anything on YouTube or anywhere on the internet about a diagram or any way to fix this, I decided to just make this quick video. So basically what happened, one of the sides of the pump just lost suction due to, at this stage, unknown cause, and I decided to take it apart and see if I can fix it. Now, it was quite a challenge to take it apart because it's not made to be taken apart. This bottom part you can easily twist off, so it just rotates a little bit and then pull off the bottom. That's the easy part. Then comes the more difficult part in getting this top off. So I'll turn it over. So you need to stick something in there to get these little clips off that I'll show you just now. I used a piece of a VHF aerial that I had in the garage to stick in there and then shine a light in one of the other holes to locate the little clip inside and then get it open. So the little clips that I'm talking about is these little buggers sitting right there, that side, on that side, and there. So that one broke off, but it's not a big trench mesh, it will still work. I then got that clipped off. Then you can plug out the wires and pull this little top cover off, and then you get to the pumps. So I took out the pumps and then immediately noted that this one little, whatever you want to call it, little pipe broke off on that side, right where it goes into the rubber pipe going into the vacuum pump sitting inside. So some good old super glue did the job to get that back together, and now the only thing left to do is to put this all back together again, and then it should work. I tested it and the suction is back to normal again. So I'll put this little pump back in place, put the lid over, pull all the wires through, plug them in to this board, and then this board will just again clip in on top. Put the screws, before you clip that in, there is 2 screws that should go in there, that screws into that point and that point. Then this can be clipped on back on top, and you can put the bottom cover on and all should be fixed. Okay. So I've assembled everything. I've put the 2 little screws back in there. By the way, you'll need a T7 and a T6 Torx screwdriver. Plugged everything back in. You have to make sure that the left hand side motor and the right hand side release valve inside is connected together, the other side as well, and the power. And then before we put this back, because we don't want to take it out again, we'll just quickly test it, and we now seem to have good suction on both sides. So we'll tuck the wires back in and then carefully clip this back into place. Like that. We'll put the bottom on, and that's the pump fixed.